Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a hot tutorial, how to create branching tasks in UPBASE. As you know, branching tasks let us manage complex projects more efficiently, and here's how to do it. First, open your UPBASE dashboard. Now, click on the project where you want to add branching tasks. This gives us a clear view of our project and makes it easier to add tasks. Next, click on New Task and type in the title of your main task. The reason we do this is to create a parent task from which our branching tasks will stem. After you've typed in the title, hit Enter. Now it's time to create a subtask. Click on your main task and then click on Add Subtask. Type in your subtask title and hit Enter. This helps us because subtasks are the branches off your main task, letting you break down complex projects into manageable parts. After that, assign each subtask to a team member by clicking on Assign and selecting a name from the drop-down list. This is crucial because it ensures everyone knows their responsibilities and can track their individual progress. Now that we've done that, let's set due dates for each subtask. Click on the calendar icon next to each subtask and select a due date. This is important as it helps keep everyone on schedule and ensures timely completion of tasks. In the end, click on Save to finalize your branching tasks. You've now successfully created a main task with its branches, which will help you manage your projects more efficiently. And that's it. You've now mastered the art of creating branching tasks in UPBASE. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, happy tasking.